Mighty Machines in Action, Helicopters. By Rebecca Pettiford. Life-saving flight. Help has arrived! A helicopter is here to take someone to the hospital. Its rotor blades spin fast as it lifts into the sky. The helicopter zooms through the air. It lands on the hospital's roof. The helicopter arrives in time to help save a life. Helicopters at work. Helicopters have many jobs. Firefighters use them to help put out fires. The military uses them to carry cargo and troops. The machines also fight enemies. Some helicopters rescue people who are lost. Others are used to take aerial photographs and videos. Controls and rotors. Helicopters fly up and down. They also go forward, backward, and sideways. Pilots control helicopters in cockpits. The pilots must use their hands and feet to steer. A helicopter engine is powerful. The engine spins the main rotor on top. The spinning blades catch air. This lifts the helicopter up. A tail rotor is in the back of the helicopter. It balances the helicopter. Without its tail rotor, a helicopter goes in circles. Amazing flyers. Helicopters use wheels or skids to land. These machines touch down on many surfaces. They can land on concrete, snow, and even water. Sometimes, helicopters do not even need to land. They can hover in midair. These machines are hard workers. They zip across the sky every day. The